Hey guys, Richard here with eBike Reviews and Adventures. We got Manders, and we've got Toby Tater Tots down here. We're going to go for a little ride. Thought we'd bring you with us. So here we go. Yeah, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun is up. The humidity level is down just a little bit. It's been nasty all week with all this rain and storm systems that we've had coming through here. Whew. We were spared most of that rain though. Some people just south of us had 15 inches of rain this week. Now, our total here was only about 2 inches though, so we got pretty lucky. What do we have going on up here? It must be a meeting of the minds. I think we'll go up here and get around these guys. Alright, so anyway, yeah. Hope your weekend is going well. Not sure when we'll post this video. It might be Monday before you see it, but if so, I hope you had a great weekend. Oh, here comes a car. We're going to take a left here, man, as soon as we can. There we go. All right. What do you think, Amanda?
I think I'm enjoying the sunshine.
Yeah, it's not too crazy hot yet, so it's bearable. Let's go this way. I'm riding the Ingway Engine Pro 2.0. Amanda's riding her Truxus Explorer, the first generation. And Toby's riding his Trixie trailer. Nothing like running down the middle of the street like a bank robber. I was looking for alligators. I don't see any. Does this tire look like it's low? Hello.
It might be a little bit.
I've put air in it once before. I think it's got a slow leak, so we're going to have to put some flat out in these tires.
Yeah, it doesn't look concerning, but it does look like it's a little bit.
Yeah. Toby.
There's a Toby. He's in there somewhere.
Yeah. This poor little trailer with the wobbly wheels. Look at those wheels. Flopping back and forth. Gotta replace this trailer soon.
We've upgraded our bikes. We can send them for Toby.
Yeah, maybe it is. Toby, hey buddy.
Who's in there?
He's got his tongue hanging out. He's getting warm too, probably. Whew. It is a little toasty.
At least his toes aren't toasty.
At least what?
His toes are not toasty. I've been debating getting him like little socks or something that he can wear when he goes outside to go riding. Just something to put on his feet.
Hopefully he doesn't bark at this little guy right here. Good, he didn't.
No, that was also talking down.
Yeah, it does help. Toby! Let's get a little creative here. Toby. Hey, buddy. Mouth hanging out, tongue hanging out. He's all smiles. Yeah, you are. You're all smiles. Hey. Toby, look up here. Look up here. Oh. Okay, we can head back. I'm not feeling it. Partly this bike. It's a torque sensor.
I thought you liked that bike though.
Huh?
I thought you liked it.
I do like it. It's just that, I don't know, maybe it's too early or something. I'm tired this morning. I don't feel like sitting over here fighting this torque sensor.
Well, it's also been a long week.
It has.
I feel like by the time Saturday hits, we're just
Where are you going?
We're all just a little sleepy after the week.
Yeah.
Obi wouldn't know. He sleeps all week.
I'm also just tired of all this heat. The heat just sucks everything out of you. So I don't know. I don't even feel like talking. Maybe that's why I was fumbling all over my words back there, because I just couldn't focus or anything.
I have those days too. That's why sometimes my videos just suck, or I already know once I get here in the morning, sometimes I'm just like, yep, I already know. I'm not in the mood to talk. I'm not in the mood to... Sometimes I'm just not in the mood to go riding.
Yeah. Up on the sidewalk.
We are caught up for the
Oh, you
most
go ahead
part.
first. You go first.
We are caught up for the most part, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're caught up.
So now we can start working on some more fun stuff.
Yeah, that was the whole point, trying to work on some of the extra stuff, because we don't have videos that we have to get out.
I know sometimes it's draining. You gotta go have fun, Toby. You gotta work hard and you gotta play hard. Already. Oh, see the donkeys.
Over in the
They're over
corner.
there. I see them. Oh, no, got a mouthful of me.
They must have just been fed.
Must have.
Oh.
Is that Stanley?
I don't think so. I mean, with those goggles on, I don't know. He didn't have goggles the day he crashed in front of our house.
Notice that my saddle feels like it's squished.
Needs to be tightened up.
It's been sitting for a while. I almost got you donuts this morning.
I'm glad you
But then
didn't.
I said, no, you're getting cake later.
Yep, I'm glad you didn't. Nah. Yeah, that was a waste of a ride, other than it was fun to get out with you.
Yeah.
Well, what sucks is that I had an extra video, but I posted 2 this morning. Because I thought, okay, well, we'll get some videos done today, a couple, and then I'll have something for tomorrow. And right now I'm feeling like I'm not going to do any videos.